Dear student, today I am going to teach you about determinants of supply, individual and market supply. Now, what are the factors that determine the quantity supplied by a single firm we are going to discuss. First of all, price of the given commodity. The first factor or first determinant. If the price of a commodity increases, the supplier of firm will supply more unit of the commodity because the firm will found more more profit more profit than earlier. Then the firm will supply more unit of the commodity, willing to supply more unit of the commodity, and vice versa. And if price declines due to less profitability, the firm will supply less unit, willing to sell less unit of the commodity. Second one is price of other goods. If we talk about price of other goods, we have complementary goods and substitute goods. As you know that substitute goods are can be replaced by each other and complementary goods are jointly required, just like a car and petrol and Coke and Pepsi can be substitute for each other. Similarly, car and petrol have the complementary to each and other. So increase in price of other goods will induce the farmer to use land for cultivation in wheat in some such places, given commodity say rice. So if the price of any commodity will increase, the farmer will supply more unit of the commodity because of the profitability. Third, prices of factor of production of input. Generally, as we have discussed in the previous chapters, we require land, labor, and capital for production. If prices of these services, land, labor, and capital increases, the supplier will supply less unit of the commodity because the production cost of the commodity will increase, which will result in low profitability, and as a result the supplier will supply less unit of the commodity. And inversely, if price of these inputs LKS falls, the supplier will supply more unit of the commodity because now he will find more profitability than earlier and try to increase the supply. Fourth one, state of technology. Advanced technique of production will increase the supply, whereas backward technique of the production or traditional technique of production will decrease the supply because the modern technique have the fast and high productivity in compare of the uh, traditional technique. So the supplier who uses traditional technique will supply less in compare of the supplier who will use latest or modern technique will supply more. Government policy, taxes and subsidies. If the government increase in taxes, sometime government increase taxes, increasing taxes reduces the supply of the commodity and vice versa, whereas the given subsidy to the taxes increase the production activity. Goal of the firm. Mostly the firms having the profit earning as a goal, but sometime all the firm do not hold the same goal because they provide free goods to the uh, consumer to ensure the quality, or to we can say good relationship, to make good relationship. So if the firm main goal or objective is to profit maximization, then according to price it will supply. Some willing to even those prices maximize their price. The objective of firm is to capture extensive market and to enhance their status and prestige. Now, determinants of market supply I am going to teach you. Number of firms in the market. If more number of the firms in the market, that means more supply in the market. And if there are less number of firms, then they will supply less. More seller, more supply, and less sellers, less supply. Second, future expectation regarding price. If seller expect a rise in price in near future, then current market supply will decrease in order to raise the supply in future at higher prices. However, if the sellers fear that prices will fall in the future, then they will increase the present supply of the avoid losses in the future. Third, means of transportation and communication. Proper infrastructure development like improvement in means of transportation and communication helps in maintaining adequate supply of the commodity. It simply means fastest means of communication and transportation increases the supply, and oppositely traditional technique of communication and transportation will reduce the supply. Now, in the next class I will teach you about the supply function, supply supply function and the supply schedule. We will discuss in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.